Hello, dear friends of the Desire channel. Welcome to a new AI tutorial on my channel. Today, I want to introduce you to an AI tool that lets you generate images in just 2 minutes and transform them into any style you desire with a single click, all in 2 seconds, and completely free. What is this powerful tool? Before we start, I'd be happy if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, we'll go to Google and search for GenTube AI. The first website you see will open its link in a new tab. This is the main page of the website. First, we'll click on the Login option in the top right corner. As you can see, you can sign up with your Google, Facebook, Discord account, or a personal email. I'll log in with my Gmail account. After logging in, we'll click on the Continue Your Journey option on this page. Once you enter this page, you'll see that it has created an avatar for me using my Gmail profile picture. You can also make changes to it and create your own custom avatar. We'll click Continue again. It explains a bit here, which we'll explore ourselves. We'll click on the Sign Up option and enter this page. This is the main image generation page of the site, where you can see images previously created by this AI tool. You can click on any image you like to view it. These were created by other users. You can also click on the option to see what prompt was used to generate it, copy it, and use it in your own designs. You'll see images previously created by this user in different styles here. You'll see very high-quality images created here by anyone, and you can see them or how they were transformed into different styles. If you like them, you can add them to your favorites by clicking the Like button. From the left side, we'll click on the Latest option to see recently created images. In Trending, you can see images that are very popular and use them for your social media ideas. In the Explore section, you can search for something specific and see everything that has been generated related to it in one place. To start, I'll click on the Create option from this section. We'll enter this page. In this section, you can write your prompt. I'll type Fox. And from the right side, you can choose the placement of your subject with specific images. As you saw, the combination of fox, the dark land, and a soldier created this image for us. If you paid attention, it takes a maximum of 2 to 3 or 4 seconds to generate an image. I just created 3 images. If you like, you can like it from this section to add it to your favorites. In the Place section, you can choose your location, whatever scenery it may be. By clicking this option, you can create your own styles in the shortest possible time. For example, by clicking on this section, it creates a special style by combining watercolor and anime. Or, by clicking on the vertical line once, it transforms it into a cyberpunk style. Below, you can see all the images you've created. In this section, you can adjust your image size. I'll choose 16:9, which is specific for YouTube and desktop, depending on your preference. Also, by enabling draft mode, you can set it to draft mode, so it constantly changes with your modifications. I want to write my prompt here, so I'll go to ChatGPT for help. I'll search ChatGPT on Google and enter the first site. I'll make this request to it: write me a prompt, a beautiful model girl with makeup in the red dress and bikini-like. I'll click the Generate option, and once our prompt is written, I'll copy it and go back to GenTube. As soon as I paste my prompt here, my image is immediately created in cyberpunk style. You can change it by clicking on any part. It's truly amazing how it creates our image in just 2 or 3 seconds. You can right-click and select Save Image As to save it to your system. This time, I'll try the pixel art style to see how it turns out. As you can see, it does it beautifully. With each click on the screen, a new image is created, and a combination of different styles is generated. You can see it here. This time, I want to see how it creates anime. I'll use a combination of Cyberpunk and pixel art. You can see it creates beautifully and very quickly. You can add these images to your profile by clicking this option and use them in your designs. Now, in the Style section, you can have many different styles available on the right side and change your image with them. For example, I'll choose 4K Real, and the image quality will also increase. Whatever style you have in mind, I'll now click on 3D Realistic Cartoon. As you can see, it transformed beautifully. There are many other styles that you can try yourself and comment on your experience below the video. I'll click on Emoji. When you click on Emoji, you can change the mood of your image. I'll try one of the images below and choose the wintry mood, which I think is for winter. My image changed beautifully to a winter scene. Now I'll click this option, which created another mood by combining it with winter. I'll click on this option and try to see how it turns out, which made our mood and the mood of our character a bit mysterious. In the Place section, you can also choose your location. I'll choose Paris. Both our character and the environment resembled French images. This time, I'll choose Japanese Garden, and the image took on the atmosphere of Japanese images. I'll choose Beach, and our image was created in a beach environment. Or, on sand, which performs these actions beautifully, even in under 2 seconds. Now, I'll go to the most exciting part of the tutorial. From the left-hand menu, we'll click on the Gen Style option. We'll enter this page. In the prompt section, I'll type the word fox. I'll then choose the Realism style from the bottom. As you can see, our image was created with this speed. Now we can refine it. I'll click between Realism and Minimalist, and our image changes. The more I make these changes, the more our image changes and gets closer to the style written. I'll click on Abstract, and as you can see, it creates our image beautifully. I'll click between Realism and Baroque, and it creates a clear image with more precise details. Now you can click on these options and choose the style you want it to be close to. For example, instead of Minimalist, I chose Watercolor, and I'll click between Realism and Watercolor, and my image is created with a new style combining both. I'll play around with these styles a bit, and as you can see, it beautifully creates different images for me. You can complete your prompt by clicking this option, and it will write a more complete prompt for you. As you can see, the image was created. I'll change its size from here. I'll change the styles and click between them. As you can see, my image is created beautifully and very quickly. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these changes. The more you click on this option, your prompt changes, and you can change your images. Now, in the prompt section, I'll type the word wolf. And with the changes I make to it, you'll see that my images are beautifully created. By clicking on this option, we'll enter another page, where it randomly generates images for us in 2 or 3 seconds. Let's try it together. It also says below what combination it used to create the images. I'll click a few times so you can see what images it creates for us, and it uses different styles randomly. Well, dear friends, I'm glad you stayed with me until this part of the video. I'd be happy if you comment your opinions for us and tell us what experience you had using this program. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, take care of yourselves. Goodbye.